intro. Insert intro.
The one that I said before?
Yeah, do it right now.
Welcome back, Pacos.
He already forgot it.
Okay, no. Welcome back, Pacos. Today we'll be doing a video on our Slipknot box VIP tier 2 VIP pass box opening.
What this is, so to get a ticket to go see Slipknot, if you want to get ahead, you had to be a member of Outside the Nine, and we weren't members of Outside the Nine. So now we are. I did it to get a 2-hour jump on VIP tickets. We're in the tier 2, so the only thing we're not going to get to do is go backstage, but they're not doing a meet and greet anyway. But we're going to see Slipknot, Knot Fest, Friday, July 26th, Mountain View. I'm waiting for yours. I'm waiting for him to be old enough to take them. Yeah. He's 11. That's enough time to...
When I first started to listen to Slipknot when I was like 3.
His first his first concert we took him to was the Offspring and Neon Trees, but his first heavy metal show we took him to System of a Down, Hollywood Bowl.
Oh, yeah, I was 5.
Yes, you were 2000 something.
I was like 2013.
We've been waiting for a while for our, not only us but other members have been waiting for our membership, the Outside the Nine membership box. Without further ado, go ahead, open it. The only reason I know what's in here already because I cut it.
Wait.
Oh, I don't know what's in the box,
wait. Super slow. We want it to be crisp. Of course, this is what's not. Or yeah.
Show them.
So the front of the box looks like, and back of the box.
This
Slipknot. And we got this as. And this, I think, is like when you summon the evil spirit, devil thing, I don't know, right?
I think so.
And then you have to do some 80 degree by 350 degree, 270 degree, 225 degree, 180 degrees, 135 degrees, 9, 45 degrees, 0, 0, 0, 0.
They know. All right, so here we go. We're gonna open.
You guys are gonna get to see first.
There's what it looks like. So you're seeing it. If you're seeing this video, you saw what it looked like
before.
Yeah, even though now we're seeing it. Ooh, okay. So there, yeah, you saw that.
Ooh, this is. Wait, hold on.
In case you didn't know what band it was for, so mainly it's a T-shirt.
Slipknot.
They tell you ahead what it's gonna be, but not the design or anything. We'll show the shirt at the end. Is this really it? This is our membership card. So it doesn't have your name, but apparently if you scan that... I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen when I scan it. So, ooh, it's numbered. That is this print. So, Outside the Nine. It's a limited print.
132, 1,000.
Of 1,000. So there's 1,000 of these, and we have one of them. So that's kind of cool to say we have. Go ahead and show the people. It's like a skull that's kind of...
This is like a cool skull. We have the Outside the Nine. And then there's 1,000 of these.
There's the numbering. So what I think this is, so it looks like it's kind of that skull that's on the... Yeah. So, oh, look it. When you tilt it, see the tree?
Hold on.
See if you... Yeah, try to...
Can you guys see it? Unless it's too white. Can you see that? Look, when you go like this.
This is pretty cool in metal. I thought it would be my number, but that's not my number. My number is my number is 515. My number is 555.
666.
In case you're wondering why I'm not wearing a Slipknot shirt,
I have 2. He has.
They need to be put in the wash, and today's May the 4th, so I'm wearing a Star Wars shirt.
Yeah, and
May the 4th be.
I know Star Wars has nothing to do with Slipknot, but May the 4th be with you.
So here, I'm gonna pull up my membership number for Outside the Nine, real quick, just so I can. All right. I'm only doing this because I want to. I wish it came with. I don't know. Oh, I remember why. Sorry, I'm not yelling. This website's under maintenance right now, so I remember getting an email. Next, I want to show you the paper that covered the shirt. Blood splatter page.
Ooh,
paper. I don't know if it's an actual pattern or.
Oh, maybe this paper is a different piece of paper, and then when you come to the concert, you're supposed to bring this, and then you all put together as like a puzzle piece.
Maybe. I sure wish it was that cool.
That was cool.
Maybe.
Oh my god.
But some of the outside the 9 members are not part of the.
Some 9
they might. You it can be for any state. Like we're not going to the other ones. Well, I don't know yet. Maybe. So here's the shirt. Without further ado. Ooh, more stuff. Ooh, the pin. You show them the pin.
So, this is a pin which
Hold on here.
This is the pin.
Further back.
That is the pin right there.
Slipknot.
That baby right there. It says Slipknot. Slipknot's a band. It's amazing.
So it's a large.
Is there anything else? Hold on, just like wiggle it around, see if there's anything.
Nah. So it's got the S.
No,
so
right there.
Oh, so it's got a cool design. It doesn't have the band or anything, but it's got the S. I'm not gonna lie, I wish I had the band on there because our shirts each have the band. Like Vlad has one of the newest shirts that has like Jay Weinberg and
Alex and Torello.
yeah, it's got the red S on the back. So we got it in a large. So if it's too small for me, it'll be big enough for Vlad. So we'll see. But anyway, that's the shirt. But
I get it though, right?
Probably. That's the outside.
I don't know.
You can open it, but I don't want to put it on anything because we're gonna lose it. We'll wait till we have something cool. We'll wait till we get the picture at the show. So if you did get levels of passes at for the show, we're supposed to get a bag, like a satchel style bag that's gonna have stuff in it.
It's coming?
No, you get it at the show.
Oh.
Like you get it at the show. So we're getting that because VIP tickets. I'm not even gonna tell you how much they were.
Nope.
Like that's none of your guys' business.
The first one to guess it in the comments, it has to be the exact numbers.
They don't get anything. Don't give anything away. I don't have none to give away. Okay, you know what? If you can guess what it is, how much the tickets cost,
you can get Progresso loaded potatoes.
I'll send you a can of soup.
Sounds good, yeah.
Yeah. First one to guess gets a can of Progresso loaded potato with. Here, let's show them what they'll get. Here, if you guess correctly, I'm gonna get sued for this because someone's gonna go, "Hey, I guessed." So you'll get this. So now I have to give away the soup. What if I'm hungry? I have other soup.
So how much it cost is between
Don't even nothing.
Okay. No.
They're getting a whole can of soup.
Yeah,
yeah. Don't even know.
This is a lot of money right here. This costs
that was a
$5.
That was a whole $1. I had to buy 10 of them to get that for $1. It's gonna cost me more to ship that than it is the soup. Like it's gonna cost like $5 unless like someone in town guesses, then I can run over to you. Then I can be like, hey. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching our video about the Slipknot Outside the 9 membership box. That was an unboxing. More videos to come. Again, sorry I haven't. He's been busy with baseball. We both have been busy with school, and so we really haven't made chances. Just show them the shirt again, just for fun.
Yeah, just for fun.
So the way you show a video for YouTube, you go like this. Watch. Nope, that doesn't work.
Yeah, it does.
No, because it's not below your waist.
Yeah, well, it's still mean. Yeah, it's still mean. That's how you do it. So this is a shirt. This is a shirt. This is a shirt right here. You thought you looked. Oh my god, you really look at that.
I was gonna find you all and punch you.
Yeah, I'm gonna punch you as hard as I can.
Unless if they put their finger to it, then pause the video. They're like, oh, because it'll be right at the pause button. So thank you guys for tuning in. What Vlad and I are gonna do, probably at least some point during the show.
Yeah.
If you don't already follow me on Facebook and him on Instagram, we're each gonna go.
Or Snapchat. Just Instagram. Just Instagram.
We're gonna go live from the show multiple times, so you're gonna get to. We're gonna bring you in for the experience, the VIP. We're gonna be somewhat backstage. They have a whole thing you get to check out that we did pay good money to be able to see. So Vlad and I will be both going live multiple times throughout the day at Knotfest Friday, July 26th at the Shoreline Amphitheater. Yeah, in Mountain View.
In Mountain View.
We're there to see
kind of by San Jose.
Gojira, Volbeat,
Behemoth.
Behemoth is dope. You're gonna like him. But Volbeat, whatever. Well, anyway, we'll go live. You guys can make a judgment call for yourself. So, message us, keep us in the loop. I'll post a little link to there will be a link to my social media. I don't know if I'm gonna have one for Vlad's yet because I don't want his mom finding out about his
Yeah, go ahead. Just
Instagram.
by that time, she's probably not gonna care because I'm probably gonna.
She might if you mouth off and be a dick to everybody. Then they're gonna be like, "Oh, take it off because Instagram's making you a dick."
No, just do that.
It's not,
but put the link at Okay.
Okay. Well, by then it'll be right.
Xbox name.
And then we're gonna be So anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions about the show, anything at all, I don't know. Words, letters, colors, numbers, 555-666. Thank you again. I can't wait for Knotfest. So till next time, deuces and trays. Keep it easy, my pockos.
Keep it real, my guys.
And maggots that are watching this. The maggots.
Pull some of the maggots. Deuces and trays. Man, oh my god, I'm gonna punch you right now. Look at my knee. You see this right here?
I didn't look. You saw I didn't look. But you guys did. You looked. So Vlad gets to hit you all.
Look for the Pacos, or else you hate them. Look at it. Look at it, or else you hate them.
Listen to this.
Look at this.
Look at this.
Or else you hate them.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Look.
I'm not looking.
Look at this.
I don't even know what you're doing. I have to look. Nope, that don't work either. It's supposed to be below your waist. It's supposed to be like that, or on your hip, but. It's not
on your balls.
Yeah, but then see, and then people gotta try to put their finger on your balls when they do it, and then you're gonna be all and that's What
if it's a girl?
It's all still harassment. You can go to court, and then I can't afford a lawyer. I already spent my money. I already owe the lawyer for getting the anyway. So don't worry about it. If you need a lawyer, let me know.
Keep eating my Pacos, deuces and trays, Slipknot. I can't do this. Peace. Bye. Adios, amigos.